Welcome to the Solar Energy Channel, where you'll get an honest inside look at all things solar. In this video, we're going to discuss how child and forced labor practices in a Western province in China are impacting the solar industry. I'm Warren.
And I'm Larry. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll receive notifications for future videos just like this.
So Larry, in this video, we're talking about a specific province in China, a Western province that's known to have child and forced labor practices. And unfortunately, that's where a lot of solar components come from, or the silica at least.
That's correct, Warren. It's affecting really the entire world as far in the solar industry, particularly the US, China, and all countries for that matter, because it affects where a lot of the raw materials come from for solar modules.
So what exactly is happening, Larry? I know that the US Customs and Border Patrol put out this withholding release order a few months ago in June of this year. What does that mean, and how is that impacting solar panels coming into the country?
Correct, yeah. So what's happening there is Customs is holding a lot of solar modules at the border. Nearly all of the solar modules that are trying to make their way into the country are being held at the border until manufacturers can produce documentation that their raw materials don't come from that province in China.
So this is just a confluence of delays that we're seeing with solar panels. First, it started with COVID and all the manufacturing delays that came with that. Then we had the delays in shipments, getting it across the oceans to the United States. And on top of all of this, the solar panels are now being delayed in customs.
That's correct, yes. So there's a lot of delays that we're seeing right now with our product. And I just want to be clear that here at Paradise, we stand with Customs Border Patrol. We're against the child labor and the forced labor. Unfortunately, it affects a lot of what we do and a lot of our product.
So in summary, we're just talking about a specific region in China that is responsible for the majority of the production of silica across the globe. And unfortunately, those silica-based solar panels are being held at U.S. Customs ports around the country. At Paradise Energy Solutions, we're in full support of this withholding release order. We do not support forced or child labor. And so we're just hopeful that the United States Customs and Border Patrol will be able to put a process in place that allows them to identify the origin of the silica so we can get panels from other regions of the world into the United States sooner rather than later.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future releases.